How to fix EAFC26 server connection error. Welcome back to Tenabalta. If you are struggling with the frustrating EAFC26 server connection error, you have come to the exact right place. During our recent deep dive diagnostics into the EA network infrastructure, the Tenabalta team identified multiple underlying causes, preventing players from connecting to Ultimate Team and online seasons. We have meticulously tested and verified a comprehensive series of solutions to get you back on the virtual pitch. This guide will walk you through every single technical fix we confirm to work, ranging from local client resets to advanced network routing adjustments. Reinstall the EA application client. First, our testing showed that a corrupted EA app cache frequently blocks server handshakes in EAFC26. We confirmed that completely uninstalling the EA app and downloading the latest installer directly from the official website resolves this baseline issue. Once reinstalled, launch the application as an administrator to ensure it has the necessary network permissions. Flush DNS and reset Winsock configuration. During our network analysis, we noticed that outdated DNS records can route your connection to offline or overcrowded EA servers. To fix this, open your command prompt as an administrator and execute the command ipconfig/flushdns, followed by netch winsock reset. Restart your computer immediately after running these commands to establish a completely clean network slate. Change DNS servers to Google or Cloudflare. Tenabalta's Diagnostics revealed that default internet service provider domain name servers often struggle with EA's dynamic server allocation. We highly recommend navigating to your network adapter properties and changing your IP4 DNS settings to 8, 8, 8, 8 and 8, 8, 4, 4 for Google or 1, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0, 0, 1 for Cloudflare. This simple routing change bypasses local bottlenecks and heavily stabilizes the connection. Disable IP6 network protocol. Our technical team discovered that EAFC26 sometimes experiences routing conflicts when both IP4 and IP6 protocols are active simultaneously on modern operating systems. You can easily resolve this by opening your Network and Sharing Center, selecting your active internet connection, and unchecking the Internet Protocol version 6 box in the Properties menu. This forces the game client to use the much more stable IP4 architecture. Configure Windows Defender Firewall rules. We often see the Windows Defender Firewall silently blocking incoming UDP packets that are absolutely essential for EAFC26 online matches. Navigate to your advanced firewall security settings and create a new inbound rule, specifically allowing the main executable file of the game. Ensure that you permit both TCP and UDP connections for this new firewall rule to guarantee unrestricted server access. Clear the EA app delivery cache. In addition to a full reinstall, our team found that manually clearing the localized delivery cache can force a fresh server token generation without removing your software. Click the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of the EA app, select Help, navigate to App Recovery, and choose the Clear Cache option. The application will automatically restart and attempt a pristine, unhindered connection to the EA backend. Disable background, VPN, and proxy services. While third-party routing tools and gaming VPNs are popular, our investigation confirmed they frequently trigger EA's automated security protocols, resulting in immediate server disconnects. We advise completely disabling any active VPN software, proxy settings, or custom routing applications before launching the game. Connecting directly through your primary residential IP ensures maximum compatibility with EA's anti-cheat network systems. Synchronize Windows time and date settings. Tenabalta's advanced analysis uncovered that SSL certificate validation fails immediately if your local system clock is even slightly out of sync with EA servers. Right-click the clock on your Windows taskbar, select Adjust Date and Time, and toggle the option to set the time automatically off and then back on. Click the Synchronization button to align your system perfectly with the global time servers. Update network adapter drivers. An outdated network interface controller driver can cause invisible micro-stutters that break the continuous packet connection required by EAFC26. Open your Windows Device Manager, expand the Network Adapters section, right-click your primary Ethernet or wireless device, and select the option to update your driver. Choosing the automatic search option ensures you have the latest and most stable manufacturer protocols installed. Switch to a hardwired Ethernet connection. During our rigorous stability tests, wireless connections consistently exhibited high packet loss, which directly triggered the EAFC26 server connection error. We strongly suggest running a high-quality Ethernet cable directly from your router to your computer or console gaming system. This entirely eliminates wireless interference and provides the uninterrupted data stream required for competitive online play. Forward specific ports on your router. Our network technicians determined that opening specific network ports significantly improves direct communication with EA's global matchmaking servers. Access your router's administrative dashboard and forward TCP ports 80, 443, and 3659, along with UDP ports 3659 and 9000 through 9999. This manual hardware configuration allows the game client to completely bypass aggressive NAT restrictions. Disable quality of service on router settings. While quality of service is designed to optimize bandwidth for media streaming, we observed that certain router firmware incorrectly deprioritizes EAFC26 gaming packets. Log into your router settings, locate the Bandwidth Management tab, and temporarily disable this feature entirely. Restart your network hardware to see if bypassing the traffic shaper resolves your continuous connection dropouts. Delete local game profile settings. We found that corrupted localized profile data in your Documents folder can prevent the game from fetching your online Ultimate Team credentials. Navigate to your computer's Documents directory, open the EAFC26 folder, and carefully delete the core settings configuration file. The game will generate a fresh, uncorrupted data file upon your next launch, which often instantly fixes the online error. Verify game file integrity. Missing or corrupted executable files will automatically halt the server handshake process during the initial game loading screen. Open your EA app library, click the Options menu on the EAFC26 game tile, and select the built-in repair tool. The client will meticulously scan your installation directory and seamlessly replace any damaged files with fresh versions from the official repository. Perform a clean boot of the operating system. As a final step in our diagnostic routine, we verified that third-party background applications frequently hijack the specific network ports EAFC26 requires. Access your system configuration panel, navigate to the Services tab, hide all official Microsoft services, and disable the remaining list of background tools. Restart your computer to launch the game in a completely clean environment, free from external software interference. Don't forget to follow Tenabalta for more.